What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, boo. How y'all doing? How y'all been? Girl, I'm doing good. Y'all know why? Well, one, I'm living and breathing. That's amazing. And two, we're unboxing my lash bag as well as a LashyBox. Ooh, y'all know LashyBox is my favorite right now, and lash bag is okay. But if you guys want to see April's LashyBox and my lash bag, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you doing today. What's up, y'all? Welcome. I'm TonyaNicole, and today, y'all, we doing something that I love, unboxing lashes and more lashes. Oh my God, y'all, I love lashes and I love LashyBox. Even though last month was a dud for me, I still love it. For my drink today, I just got some, Aquafina water. Y'all, I am just so dehydrated, I think. I don't know what's going on, but I need, water. I don't need alcohol today. So we're going to take a little dance break and a drink break. Before we get into the specs of these two subscriptions, I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters in my last video. Thank you so much, guys, for rocking with your girl, waking up early, clicking that button, typing your comment. I appreciate you greatly. Now, let's get on into these specs, boo. Oh, before we do that, y'all, let me ask y'all if this ever happened to you guys. So, with all the quarantine and I've been kind of, a little depressed and anxious, I haven't really been doing a lot of self-care like shaving. I know that's TMI, but y'all, I need y'all opinion. So the other day I was like, okay, you got to get up, girl. And, I had this big mustache coming through. So I was like, oh, we got to shave that. But I couldn't find a razor or a waxing thing because my nail lady is out. So I said, oh, I have some Nair. So I put the Nair on my top lip. It's just a regular Nair. Y'all, it burned and charred like right under my nose really bad. Let me know if that's ever happened to y'all. I mean, I thought you could use Nair everywhere. I don't know. Well, except for your lips, both, I guess. I don't know. But let me know if that's ever happened to you guys because it really charred it, y'all. Just a little, wanted to know. Okay, guys, and so let's get into the specs. For LashyBox, this is a $13.99 per month lash and beauty subscription. You get 3 to 4 pairs of lashes every month, a makeup tool and some makeup items, some beauty products. It's supposed to be valued anywhere from $50 to $80. If you want to subscribe to them, I have a link down below, and you can click it. They have some other subscriptions that you can look at, like a drama box, a soft glam box, an XL box. All of the prices will be on their website. So that's the specs on this one. And for my lash bag, this is the sister company to LashyBox. And this one is $9.99 each month. And you get 4 pairs of lashes in this subscription. You can choose from a style of natural, bold, and dramatic. And I have chosen the I've chosen the bold lashes with these. And it's also free shipping for this bag here. After June, I'm going to be canceling my lash bag and picking up Try Beauty's lash subscription. So yes, we're getting rid of some of these and getting some new subs into this channel, y'all. So without further ado, let's get this unboxing on and popping, boo. Y'all need a dance break and a drink break? I do. Ooh. So let's do my lash bag first. I already cut it open just to save me some time, y'all. So I will look for the prices and put them down below for everything, guys, and do a final total towards each. So first up, I'm seeing from Rude Cosmetics these 3D faux mink lashes in the style. There is no style. No. Oh. Makeup with an attitude. Okay, and this is what the outside packaging looks like, guys. Very cute packaging. Let's take them out and see. And this is what the lashes look like, guys. Very natural, short to long lashes. I don't know how bold these are, but I guess the ends are kind of bold, give you that wing out look. Okay, this is the first pair. Next up from Rude Cosmetics, we have these faux mink we have these faux mink lashes, and there's, oh wait, they're okay. So I'm sorry, y'all. I had got the style wrong. I said it was makeup with an attitude, but I think that's like the theme for their company. I'm so, okay. But the style of these first ones, or Smitten, the names are right here on the bottom. And this one is Flirtatious. These are the second pairs, guys. That's what the outside looks like. Oh, now these are more of my style. These are what the lashes look like. They look like all one length. They are not full voluptuous lashes, but they will give you a nice, sexy eye look. So, okay, I could rock with these Flirtatious lashes. Next up, we got from Loha. What is this? Loha? These premium 3D faux mink false eyelashes. That's what the outside packaging is looking like. Very pretty packaging. And this is the shade Rose All Day. These are the style Rose All Day. Oh my God. Let me put them, y'all. Like, these are what the lashes look like right here. Very natural, very thin, very not TonyaNicole bold. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay. And last up, we have these from Aloha, and this is a penny for your thoughts. And that's how these look, guys. The packaging is very pretty. The lashes are just so natural and like, can y'all see that? Let's see. We'll do it like this. These are those right there. Okay, I don't really, these are okay too. They'll give you a nice natural eye look. Okay, so that's all from my lash bag. We received these two lashes here from Lola Lashes, and these two from Rude Cosmetics right here. So out of all of these four, the only ones I probably would rock with are these Flirtatious ones, and we got a glue. So that's the first box. Next up, we have LashyBox, and we're gonna open this one up and see if it's a little better. Okay, that's what the inside looks like, guys. First up out of this box, we have from The Balm. It's a highlighter, guys. So this is what the outside packaging looks like, really cute. And let's open it up. Okay. And this is what the shade looks like. It's very pretty, a nice basic highlighter. That's what it looks like on my finger. I'm gonna swatch it. Feels kind of dry, but that's the highlighter right there. So, yep, this is the first one. Next up, we have from Ruby May Cosmetics, this Drama Queen Mascara. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like here. And we're gonna open it up. Ooh, it's a pink tubing right there. I will not open up this mascara because I do have a lot of mascaras that I'm going through right now. But this is a waterproof black mascara right here. And we also got a little clear glue in this box. And we got 4 pairs of lashes. So up first, we have from Rude Cosmetics, these baby doll lashes here. That's what the outside packaging looks like. And when we take them out, these are how the lashes look. Very natural lashes right there. I do like these. I can wear those to work. Next up from Rude Cosmetics, we have these in the style Flatter Me. That's what the packaging looks like. These are the lashes right here. Not very TonyaNicole. Maybe I need to switch to the drama box. I don't know, because the regular box, they usually give you a nice mixture, but I don't know, y'all. Not really feeling them. Next up from iFull Lash, these faux mink 3D multi-layered lashes here. Now I could not find a price on these last time when I went on looking for it. They were sold on Amazon for like $3, but I couldn't find the exact one. These are very bold and nice and dramatic like I like. I do like the way that these look, but I probably won't be able to find a price on these. If I do, I'll let you guys know. And then last but not least from Beauty Creations, these in the style Luster. I do like these. These are pretty. Let me take them out. Okay, these are the short to long. These are a little more dramatic. Well, a little more fuller and more dramatic like I like. You know, I like a full lash. So these are better than the ones I received last month. So yeah, guys, that was my LashyBox. Let me show you guys what I got again really quick. We got these 4 lashes here. These 4. We got a highlighter and a mascara and a little glue here. So 6 products in the Lashy-box. Okay, final thoughts. So for my lash bag, I really wasn't feeling the lashes too much this month. Out of the 4, I would only wear 1 pair, and yeah, I don't really find them to be too bold. This is a company also that really don't reply to you on Instagram or anything. I see a lot of people asking questions, and they don't really, I don't really know about this month's box. I really wasn't feeling it. Last month I didn't like it. This month I don't really care for it. And I don't know. I mean, you're only doing lashes and you're asking what people like. And if you don't send what I like, then it's kind of like a waste of money for me. So yeah, if I had to rate my lash bag on the scale of 1 being this bag is garbage, throw it to the damn fire. To 5 being the bag is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give my lash bag for the month of April a solid 2. Yeah, it's about to be thrown to the fire, y'all. I'm telling you. And as far as LashyBox, I do believe that once LashyBox started the XL box, they kind of neglected the one that everybody loved, which is the LashyBox, the $13 a month subscription. I don't think I'm going to subscribe to the XL subscription for LashyBox. I'll keep the $13 one because I don't want to spend $25 a month on lashes and a palette and all this other stuff when I have so many subscription boxes. But it was kind of lackluster for me. It wasn't really like I usually am so excited for LashyBox, but it was just okay this month. Yeah, I like that we got a mascara and a highlighter and 4 pairs of lashes, 2 of which I would wear. So, I mean, it was okay for the 6. I like 4. So, it wasn't that bad, but LashyBox has been so much better. So, if I had to rate LashyBox on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn wolves! 5 being the box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? We're going to give LashyBox for the month of April a solid 2.5 to 3. But we'll give them a 3 for this month. Yeah, LashyBox, oh, y'all better get it together, boo. Like, really, because I'm not really feeling them lately. So, and y'all know this is one of my favorite subscriptions, but I wasn't even excited to unbox it when I got it, and I've been received LashyBox, so yeah. But anyway, guys, that's all that I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my bomb-ass subscriber squad, boo, what you waiting for? You need to go on and do it like now. Also, follow me on Instagram. All of those links are down below. And yes, boo, that's all I got. Y'all let me know what y'all got in y'all boxes, and we're going to chit-chat it up down below in the comments. So I will see you guys later. I'll see y'all down below, and I'll see you in my next video, boo. Okay? Y'all take care. I love you guys so much. Bye.